Now, as part of effort to build a better Nigeria that prioritizes the interests of its citizens and ensures more credible elections, stakeholders have called for the creation of a citizens' constitution. They also urged the National Assembly to amend the Electoral Act of 2022. This call was made at the National Summit on the Future of Nigeria's Constitutional Democracy. Nuel Samson reports.
At the summit, stakeholders emphasized the urgent need not just for a new constitution, but for the one that reflects the will and aspirations of the people. Key issues discussed include electoral reforms on how to improve Nigeria's electoral system for greater transparency, inclusiveness, and accountability.
We are not concerned with the citizen. If we're going to rebuild Nigeria, it has to be on the basis of a nation of citizens, not a nation that we elite want. This is what we have been getting wrong. We're talking about how we want to see Nigeria. Nobody's talking about the federation of citizens. First, identify the citizen. Go back to the Constitution. Read Chapter 2, the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy. Read what is in there. That's the closest we came to defining what Nigeria should be, how Nigeria should govern, what ideals we should shape.
Wishes to look at the electronic system of voting. And I wish to submit without any fear of contradiction that Nigerian courts are totally opposed to the introduction of any form of electronic voting. In 2010 Electoral Act, amended in 2015 by the Jonathan administration, empowered INEC to adopt any method, any procedure, to conduct credible elections in Nigeria.
Speakers at the event stressed that constitutional democracy is vital because it combines majority rule with the protection of individual rights and freedoms as enshrined in the Constitution. Such a system, they said, ensures accountability in governance, checks abuse of power, and promotes national stability. They concluded that by upholding the rule of law and limiting the powers of government, constitutional democracies help create a more just, equitable, and inclusive society, underscoring the relevance and urgency of the summit's discussions. End.